Steve Szymanski here with Theme Park Review. We're at Six Flags Great America. I'm riding with Lee, who's an engineer with Six Flags, and we're about to take a ride for the first time on the new ride here, Maxx Force. So pretty excited about this one. Been watching this morning. The facial expressions on this launch are pretty intense, so I'm very excited. I hope Lee is as well.
Yep, and we're advancing forward right now. We're going to engage the tow cart and this cable launch system with the air and piston. It's
all right, so
we'll be going in a few seconds.
We're ready to go, so our faces will probably get pretty crazy in a second here. All right, people, here we go. Let's enjoy this one. It's a loud one too, so get ready for it.
Here we go.
Yes! Woo! Oh my God! This is awesome. Great view of the park. Yeah! Into this stretchy. Oh man! That was awesome.
Yeah, just like that, we're back.
What an intense ride. That launch is unbelievable. So, those of you that are near the Six Flags area, you got to get out here and ride Maxx Force. This ride is awesome.
Thanks for coming. I just want to thank each and every one of you for coming out and joining us today. It's an incredibly exciting day, incredibly exciting weekend. We're just so thrilled to have Maxx Force in our lineup of coasters here at Six Flags Great America. It is a triple record breaker. If you've been on it or about to get on it, you're going to break 3 records today. It is the fastest launching coaster in North America. It goes from 0 to 78 miles an hour less than 2 seconds, 1.8 seconds to be exact. It also is the highest double inversion in the world and the fastest inversion in the world. It's an amazing ride. Talk to the people who've been on it. I think they'll tell you it's gotten great reviews.